Hi everyone, in our previous part we have created our this home page and we have created our this about us page also, and we have also made these pages responsive for mobile and tablet as well. Now in this part we will create our this blog page. Here you can see that we have a navbar, we have our this blog title and our images, and then we have a blog section here, and in the blog section we have an image for this blog, and we have our blog heading, our paragraph, and we have a read more button here, and then we have a category section here also. So after creating this page we will create a specific post page, so that if anyone click on these buttons, if anyone want to read more about this blog, so we have to click on this button. Here you can see that we have the complete post of that blog here, and we can also go to the next page if we want to see another blogs. Okay, so we will create this page using HTML and CSS, and we will also make this page responsive for mobile and tablet as well. And if you guys didn't watch our part 1 and part 2, link will be given in the description. Please guys check out those part 1 and part 2 also. In a few moments I will show you how to create this blog page step by step using HTML and CSS. And before we get started, if you guys are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like this video and press the bell icon for the future videos. And if you guys have any question about this video, please let me know in my comment section. So that's it guys, let's get started. So for creating the blog page, we have to create a new HTML file. So for creating a new HTML file, type Ctrl plus N, and here we have to save the file using Ctrl plus S. And here we have to give a name for this file. And since I'm going to create our blog page, so that's why it will be blog.html. That's it. So guys, from our about HTML, I will simply copy everything and then paste it here. That's it. Now I will simply close our about.html file, and if I go to my website, here you can see that currently we are now in our about.html file. Now I want to go to our blog page, so that's why if I click on the blog link here, you can see that the link is now changed and it is now blog.html file. And from our this page we have to change the heading first. So for changing the heading, let's go to our file and then go to the top here. From here it will be only blog. That's it. Now save and go to our website. Here you can see that we have our blog. So after creating this one, I don't need this one, and this one also. I only need the navbar, our this section and our footer. Okay, so I will simply remove all of them. This one, and this one. Delete and save. Go to our website. So now we have to create our this blog section. Here you can see that in the left side we have all of our blogs, and in the right side we have categories. So let's go to our code, and here we have to create a section, and here we have to give an ID, and the ID will be blog container. That's it. And I will simply divide this blog container into two parts. One part will be taking our these blocks, and another part will be taking our this category. So let's go to our code, and here let's create a div tag, and the class name of this div tag will be blocks. And let's create another div tag for our category, and here we have to create a class and it will be category CATE. That's it. And inside our blocks div we have to create a div tag, and the class name of this div tag will be post. That's it. And inside our post we have to first import our image, so create an image tag, and I have a images folder, and inside my images folder I have a b1, it means blog 1. That's it. And here first we have to create a h3. Now let's go to our page here, and just copy this one and then paste it here for our paragraph. So just copy this paragraph from here and then paste it here. So after our paragraph we have to create a button. So for the button let's create a anchor tag, and it will be hash, and here it will be read more. That's it. Now save and go to our website, and here you can see that we have our image, we have our blog heading, paragraph and button here. So after this one let's create our category also. Here we have to create a h2 first, and it will be categories. That's it. And then we have to create a horizontal line. Here you can see that we have a horizontal line. after each of these text. So let's create a HR, and then let's create an anchor tag for our categories, and it will be hash. So this one will be web development. That's it. And then after this one we have to create another HR. Now copy this one and paste it 4 or 5 times. That's it. And here it will be web design, app development, front end web, Python programming, JavaScript. That's it. Now save and go to our website. And here you can see that we have our categories heading and we have our all the links here. So now we have to style these things. We have to style our this section. So just copy the blog container ID from here and let's go to our, and here we have to comment out first, and it will be blog. Now paste the ID. Now if I go to my website, here you can see that our this blog and category is actually in one column, but in our this website they are actually in one row. So that's why we have to use display flex, and align items will be flex start, and justify content will be a space between, because I want some space from the between. And then I will add some padding here also, and the padding will be 8 VW from everywhere. Now save and go to our website, and here you can see that we have now a space, and this blog and this category is now in one row. Now we have to fix these things. We have to give width for each of these sections. So that's why just copy this one and paste it here. And then let's target our blocks first. Here you can see that we have a blocks container, and then paste it here. And this section will take 60% of width. That's it. And I will simply copy this one again and then paste it here. Then we have to target our category. So we have to give a width for our this one also, and the width will be 30%. That's it. Now we have to fix the image also. Now copy this one and paste it here, and then target our image. So I want to take this image 100% width. Now save and go to our website, and here you can see that our this image and our this block section is actually taking 60%, and our this section is taking 30% of width. And for this image I want to add some border radius. So let's go to our code, and here in our image I will add some border radius, and it will be 90 pixel. Save and go to our website. That's it. We have some border radius here. After this one, now we have to target our h3. We have to style this one. So that's why just copy this one and then paste it here. And then we have to target our post here. So copy this post and then paste it here. Then we have to take our h3. That's it. Here first I will give a color, and the color will be this one. And then I will add some padding. And the padding from top it will be 15 pixel, from left 0, from bottom 10 pixel, and from right 0. Now save, go to our website. Here you can see that now we have some space for our h3, and now we have to target our paragraph also. So for the paragraph, copy this one and then paste it here. So for the paragraph it will be paragraph instead of h3, and I will give a different color for our paragraph, and the color will be this one. That's it. And here I will add a padding bottom, and the padding bottom will be 20 pixel. Now save and go to our website. Here you can see that we have changed the color of our text, and we have some space here. So after this one we have to target our this button here. So that's why just copy this one and then paste it here, and then target our anchor tag. So first I will remove the underline, so that's why text decoration will be none, and then I will give a font size, it will be 0.9 rem. Then I will add a padding here. Padding from top and bottom will be 13 pixel, from left and right 35 pixel. Then I will give a background color, and the background color will be a RGB value. That's it. And the text color will be white. Now save and go to our website. Here you can see that we have our button here. Now I want to add some border radius. So let's give a border radius here, and the border radius will be 5 pixel. Now save, go to our website. Yeah, now it is looking much better. Now we will add a font width here, and the font width will be 600. That's it. Here you can see that our button is looking beautiful here. So after our this block section, we have to style our this category. So let's go to our category and copy this one and paste it here. First we will target our h2, it means our heading. I will add some padding bottom here because I want some space from the bottom, and it will be 7 pixel. So after this one we have to target our anchor text. So it will be add, and here we will add text decoration none. Now save, go to our website. Here you can see that we don't have any underline. So now let's add some color here. So color will be this one, and we have to give a font width, and it will be 500. And after this one we have to add a line height, and it will be 45 pixel. Now save and go to our website. So now here you can see that we have also done with our this category. So underneath this block I want to add some more blocks like this one. So that's why just go to our block HTML, and from here just copy this one and then paste it 4 or 5 times. That's it. And then now simply change the images. That's it. Now save and go to our website, and here you can see that we have our images here, and we have also our post, but we don't have actually any space between two posts. So that's why we have to add some padding or margin. Let's go to our style, and here in our post we have to just copy this one and then paste it here, and here we have to add padding bottom, and it will be 60 pixel. Now save and go to our website, and here you can see that now we have a space. So here you can see that we have done with our this blog page. And one thing we have to fix now. Here you can see that we are now in our blog page, but our about link is actually highlighted. We have to fix this one. Our blog should be highlighted. So that's why let's go to our blog HTML and go to the nav here, and we have to simply remove the class active from our about and then paste it here. That's it. Now save, go to our website. Here you can see that our blog is now highlighted. So here you can see that we have done everything here. Now we have to make this page responsive. So that's why inspect the page. And if I first go to our iPad, here you can see that in our iPad it is looking good, but I will actually decrease the space from left, right, top and bottom. So that's why let's go to our style, and let's go to our media query. That's it. And here first comment out, and it will be blog. And then if I go to the website and select the section, here you can see that we have too much padding here. That's why copy this rule and then paste it here. And here I don't want to change anything, so delete this line. And the padding from top and bottom will be 8 VW, but for left and right it will be 4 VW. Now save and go to our website. Here you can see that we have now less space here. So this is looking good. So this is looking good in our tablet screen. Now we have to go to our mobile phone, and now we have to check this out here. Here you can see that they are still in one row, but I want everything now in one column. So that's why I select this section and copy this rule from here, and then go to our second media query 475. First comment out, and it will be blog, and then paste the rule here. And from here I don't want to change the padding, but here I will add flex direction, and it will be column. Now save. Here you can see that everyone is now in one column, but they are not taking full width because we have gave some width in our previous media query. So that's why I just select this section, this post section. That's it. And from here select the block actually. Now copy this rule from here and then paste it here. It will be taking 100%. That's it. Now save and go to our website. Here you can see that now it is taking 100%. And we have to do the same for our this category. So that's why select the category from here and copy this section from here and then paste it here. It will be also 100%. Now save, go to our website, and yeah, now this is looking good here. We have our category. So guys, here you can see that we have successfully created our this blog page for our mobile, for our iPad, and for our large screen also, and this is looking good. So after this blog page, I want to create another page. Suppose if anyone want to read the full blog, so that's why if anyone click on the read more, I want to redirect it to another page, and on that page the full blog will be represented. So that's why we have to create another file here. Just create another file and save this file as post.html. That's it. That's it, guys. So for the post.html, I will simply copy everything from the blog and then paste it here. That's it. Now if I go to my website, I want to redirect to the post page if anyone click on the read more button. So that's why let's go to our blog and find out that read more button. Here you can see that we have a read more. So here we have to give the post link and it will be post.html. Now save and go to our website. So guys, here you can see that we are now in our blog.html page. Now if I click on our read more button, here you can see that it is now post.html. Okay, and if I go to my post file and save the file and go to our website again, here you can see that we have all the styling for the blog pages here. Now we have to remove these things, and if I go to my website and go to our post page, here you can see that this is the post page. So in our post page, we only have the image and the heading, our paragraph, our post, and the button here. So we don't need anything else. So that's why I will delete everything from here. Just close the blog first, and in our this one, I only need the nav here, but I don't need anything. So that's why, and then delete this. That's it. Now save and go to our website. Here you can see that we have only our nav bar and the footer here. Now we have to create our post, so that's why let's go to our code, and here we have to create a section and we have to give an ID here, and the ID will be blog container. I am using the same ID which we have used for the blog, because if we use the same ID we will have some styling similar, so that's why we have to use the same ID. And here let's create a div tag, and the class name of this div tag will be blogs. That's it. And here I will create another div tag, and the class name of this div tag will be post. That's it, guys. And inside this post div tag we have to insert everything. First I will insert our image. That's it. And here I have images folder, and inside our images folder I have a b1.jpg. That's it. And here we have to take the heading also, and it will be h3. Now from our website, let's copy the heading and then paste it here. Then we have to create a paragraph for the paragraph. So if I go to my website, here you can see that we have one paragraph here, and we have a space, and then we have another paragraph here. So I will simply copy this one and then paste it here. Then I want a space, so that's why first break the line, and then I need another line, so that's why double break, and here we have to paste the another one. That's it. Now copy and then paste it here. Now save and go to our website, and here you can see that we have our image, our this one, and our in our paragraph we have a space here. So by using the same rule we have to create the whole paragraph. So let's do this. That's it, we have the full paragraph here. Now save and go to our website, and here you can see that we have our full paragraph here. So after our this paragraph or our this post, we have to create a button here for our read next. So that's why let's go to our code, and here we have to create a button. Underneath the paragraph, let's create an anchor tag, and here it will be hash, and here we have to write read next. That's it. Now save, go to our website, Here you can see that we have our read next button. Now let's go to the top here, and here you can see that our this post is actually in the left side, but I want this post to be in the center of our screen, like this one. Here you can see that. So for this one we have to go and style. Let's go to the top here, and from here copy the block container, and go to the style, and here paste it. That's it. Then we have to target our these blocks here, and actually if we target our this blocks class, it won't work because we have already defined the same class name for our blog page. If we go to the style, here you can see that we have a blocks class here for our blog HTML page, and we can't use the same class name for adding different styling. So that's why we have to create a separate class name. So here we have to create different class name, and it will be blog post. That's it. Now copy this class name and then paste it here. That's it. And here first I will give a width, and it will be 60%, and then I have to align this center, so that's why we have to add margin, and the margin from top and bottom will be 0, but from left and right it will be auto. Now save, and save our HTML file also, and go to our website. Here you can see that now it is in the center and it is taking 60% width. Now I want to justify the text here. Here you can see that the text is actually aligned from the start, but I want to use justify, so that's why we have to copy this one and then paste it here, and then we have to target our paragraph, and here we have to add text align, and it will be justify. Now save, go to our website. Here you can see that the text is now in justify, and we have to add some space here underneath this paragraph, so that's why let's add some padding bottom 60 pixel. Now save, go to our website. So guys, here you can see that this is not working because we have gave a padding bottom differently in our blog page, but in our this blog post page we are giving a different padding, so that's why it is not working. So for working this one, we have to override the previous styling, so that's why we have to use important here. Now save, go to our website. So yeah, here you can see that we have our padding bottom 60 pixel. So now we have to make this page responsive, so that's why inspect the website and go to our iPad page first. Here you can see that this section is actually taking 60% width here, and now I want to increase the width, so that's why just select this one, and copy the rule from here, and go to our 769 pixel media query, and here we have to paste the rule here, and it will be 100%. Now save, and here you can see that now it is taking full width and height, but we have to actually add some margin from top also because this image is actually now underneath the navbar, so that's why let's remove this one, and here instead of margin it will be margin top, and it will be 30 pixel. Now save, go to our website. Here you can see that now we have some space here, and from here if we select the image, here you can see that we have the image here. Now I want to give a height, I want to decrease the height of this image, so that's why I just select this one and then paste it here. So instead of blocks I will actually give this one this class name, because this blocks class is working for our blog page, not our post page, so it will be blog post, and here it will be 100%. It's okay. Now we have to give a height, and it will be 50 vh, and instead of border radius it will be object fit cover. Now save, go to our website, and here you can see that now it is taking actually 50 vh. Here you can see that 50 vh, so this is good. Now let's move on to our mobile screen. So here in our mobile screen again we have to give some space on the top, so that's why just copy this blog post and then go to our mobile screen and then paste it here. That's it. So from here I have to increase the margin top, and it will be 50. Here you can see that we have now 50 pixels from top, but I will increase this more and it will be 70. So yeah, now it is looking good. So after this one, I don't think so I have to change anything else here, because everything else is looking good. So guys, here you can see that we have created our this blog page and this post page using HTML and CSS step by step, and we have also made this page responsive for mobile and tablet version. Here you can see that. Now if I go to our blog page, here you can see that we have our all the blogs here. Now if anyone open the full blog, we have to click on the read more, and here in our read more, here you can see that we have our complete blog here, and this is looking so beautiful. And this blog page and our post page is completely responsive. So that's it guys for this part, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you guys really enjoy this tutorial, then I hope I will see you in our next part also. And please, if you guys are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like this video, and press the bell icon for the future videos. And if you guys have any question about these videos, about these tutorials, please let me know in my comment section. So that's it guys, let's see you in our next part.